हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज हम करने वाले हैं कमला दास की एन इंट्रोडक्शन। हु इज़ द पोएट ऑफ एन इंट्रोडक्शन? ए सरोजनी नायडू, बी कमला दास, सी तोरू दत्त और सी ममता कालिया। सो राइट आंसर इज बी कमला दास। एन इंट्रोडक्शन बिलोंग टू विच पोएट्री कलेक्शन? ए द ओल्ड प्ले हाउस, बी समर इन कैलकटा, सी अल्फाबेट ऑफ लस्ट और डी ओनली द सोल नोज हाउ टू सिंग। सो राइट आंसर इज बी समर इन कैलकटा. The poem and introduction is written in the style of A. Romantic poetry, B. Conventional poetry, C. Symbolist poetry or D. War poetry. So right answer is B. Confessional poetry. Kamala Das assert her right to use A. Tamil, B. Hindi, C. English or D. Sanskrit. So right answer is C. English. I'm an Indian, very brown, express the poet, social status, national identity, C. religious faith or D. marital status. So right answer is B. national identity. The poem criticizes A. economic inequality, B. political nationalism, C. gendered expectation and D. classical literature. So right answer is C. gendered expectation. Kamala Das compares our English to A. waves, B. children's babbling, C. bird song or D. drum beats. So right answer is B. children's babbling. The poem advocates freedom of wealth, expression and identity, C. religion or D. education. So right answer is B. expression and identity. What is the tone of the poem? A. humorous, B. melancholic, C. assertive and rebellious or D. detached. So right answer is C. assertive and rebellious. Kamala Das challenges A. poetic structure, B. patriarchal norm, C. political leader or D. Indian mythology. So right answer is B. patriarchal norms. Be girl, be wife, be mother reflects A. woman responsibility, B. society restrictive expectation, C. cultural pride or D. political ideology. So right answer is B. society restrictive expectation. The poem is written in A. blank verse, B. sonnet form, C. heroic couplet or D. free verse. So right answer is D. free verse. Kamala Das strongly emphasizes A. social class, B. self-identity, C. war and destruction, D. economic freedom. So right answer is B. self-identity. My language is mine means A. English is superior, B. language is personal and intimate, she likes Indian language or D. she speaks many languages. So right answer is B. language is personal and intimate. Kamala Das discussed politics in the poem to show her political ambition, her disinterest in politics, how society influences individual identity, her anger toward leaders. Answer C. How society influences individual identity. The poem is strongly associated with A. eco-criticism, B. feminist literature, C. magical realism or D. post-war poetry. So right answer is B. feminist literature. An introduction is an example of A. self-narrative, B. epic poetry, C. religious verse or D. dramatic monologue. So right answer is A. self-narrative. Kamala Das' writing is known for A. mythological reference, B. emotional honesty, C. scientific accuracy or D. comic satire. So right answer is B. emotional honesty. The poem challenges the idea that women must study, write, follow traditional gender roles, participate in politics. So right answer is C. follow traditional gender roles. Kamala Das highlights her struggle with poverty, identity and society expectations, C. illness or D. education. So right answer is B. identity and society expectation. The poem uses English as a symbol of A. colonial oppression, B. personal liberation, C. cultural imitation and D. linguistic confusion. So right answer is B. personal liberation. I speak 3 languages, write in 2 indicates her multilingual ability, her dislike for languages, her political superiority, her profession. So right answer is A. her multilingual ability. The poem can be classified as personal and political, tradition and religious, C. mythological and D. historical. So right answer is A. personal and political. One central theme of the poem is war, nationalism, freedom of identity or nature. So right answer is C. freedom of identity. Kamala Das ends the poem by asserting social obedience, self-expectation, C. Anger at society, and D. Love for tradition. So right answer is B. Self-acceptance. So this is my last question. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment for more videos.